So today, I'm going to talk about cooking. So I don't know a lot about this topic. However, I like eating. So, I like talking about food in general. I'm lucky because my husband cooks very well. He has a natural talent for cooking. So, he cooks well. That means that I eat well. Let me tell you about some of the things that my husband cooks. Since she is Mexican, she likes cooking Mexican food. Sometimes, he makes tacos, so my husband can cook different tacos each time. I also cooked tacos in the past, but I don't cook well. My tacos weren't very good. I cooked tacos de lengua tongue tacos, but I didn't cook them very well. My husband cooks much better. The only thing that I cook well is eggs. I love eggs, and I eat them almost every morning. I think eggs are the best breakfast food. I usually eat scrambled eggs. But I also eat other types of eggs too. My favorite breakfast. So, my husband also makes pasta. He doesn't buy the pasta in the box that you buy from the store. He makes the pastes by hand. He makes the noodles, and they taste so good. When you make pasta by hand, it tastes better. I love all types of pasta, but my favorite is ravioli. Actually, I like all Italian food. When we were in Italy, we ate some amazing food. My husband also cooks a lot of meat. We like eating different cuts of steak every week. We try to buy cheap meat because meat can be expensive. We don't want to spend a lot of money. So, we buy cheap meat. My husband cooks the meat in a pan, which is easy. Other people cook their meat on a grill. We don't have a grill. So, we use a pan. I think that meat tastes good if it's cooked on a pan or a grill. Meat is always good. I hope my husband cooks meat tonight. He also cooks a really good breakfast. He makes really good pancakes. I like to eat pancakes with maple syrup and peanut butter. I know that's a little strange, but it's delicious. I love pancakes and peanut butter. My husband also cooks chilaquiles, a common Mexican breakfast. This is my favorite breakfast in the world. I love chilaquiles. This dish has tortilla chips, salad, cheese, and cream. I like it with eggs on top. It's so good. I don't know which is better, breakfast or dinner. In my family, we cook dinner 5 days a week. The other days, we go out to eat dinner, or we eat dinner with other people. Sometimes we eat dinner with my parents, and other times, we eat dinner with my sister. Tonight, we will eat dinner with my parents, and my brother will cook dinner. When I was a kid, my mother cooked dinner every day, every evening. We ate dinner at 6 p.m. every day. In the U.S., it's common for families to eat dinner together. We sit together at the table, we eat, and we talk about our day. Dinner time is important in the U.S. In other countries, people eat dinner late, like at 9 p.m. or 10 p.m. But this is too late for me. I don't want to eat dinner late. I like eating dinner at 5 or 6 p.m. This is a good time for dinner. What do you like eating for dinner? I like every type of food from every country. I can eat anything, and I love trying new foods. Like I said, I don't cook well, but I eat well. Maybe I will learn to cook in the future, but I don't know. I don't like cooking, and I don't have the natural talent to cook. I prefer eating, not cooking. My husband cooks very well, so I don't need to learn. I'm thankful for that.